Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we are going to cover how to set up OneLogin as your identity provider for Confluence using the Mini Orange SAML SSO app. Start in Confluence. Go to the Mini Orange SAML SSO app, open Configure, and select Add New IDP. From the Quick Setup options, choose OneLogin as your identity provider. Now switch to your OneLogin. Go to the application from the menu and click on the Add app. Now in the search bar, type SAML Test Connector and click on the app to add it. Here in the Info tab, you can change the display name of your app. Then click on Save button. Now go to the Configuration tab. You will find audience URL and service provider metadata in the Mini Orange app. Audience URL is referred as SP Entity ID. SP Entity ID is used to uniquely identify your service provider. Kindly copy it and paste it in the field. ACS URL will tell identity provider where to send SAML response after a successful authentication. Copy it and paste it into the recipient URL field, then into the ACS validator field, and also into the ACS URL field. Now go to Parameters tab. Here name ID value is configured. To add more parameters, click on the plus sign. Enter field name as a first name. Enable include in SAML assertion checkbox and click on the Save button. Select first name as a value and click on the Save button. To add one more parameter, click on the plus sign. Enter field name as a last name. Enable include in SAML assertion checkbox and click on the Save button. Select value as a last name and click on the Save button. And all our parameters successfully configured. To save the configuration, click on the Save button, and you can see successfully updated message here. Back in Confluence, move to Service Provider Metadata. Select that you have the metadata file for your IDP. Now go to the OneLogin. Under More Action drop-down, click on the SAML metadata, and your metadata file will be downloaded. Now upload downloaded file into the Mini Orange SAML and save the configuration. Now copy the test and get attribute URL. Paste it into your browser, and if everything is correct, you'll see that the test is successful. This confirms that your identity provider is now linked to your service provider. Finally, configure user profile and group settings in the Mini Orange SAML app. This ensures that user details and group roles are mapped correctly inside Confluence. And now you will be able to log in to Confluence using OneLogin as your identity provider with the Mini Orange SAML SSO app. Thanks for watching.